In Japan, things are crafted with a purpose and with beauty. And beauty is found in both pureness and contrast, like the design of the all-new Mazdo6e. There is a timeless beauty to the pure and sleek overall shape of the car, with dramatic Kodo-inspired surfaces combining sharpness and roundness to an exciting expression of speed and elegance. But always typically Mazda. At the core of our design approach is Ma, the Japanese concept of seeing beauty in empty space. Like the light and wide interior space, the instrument panel that emphasizes a floating expression, the indirect lights that create an atmospheric illumination, the large glass roof generating a generous sense of space, or the monoform seats that provide a luxury feel. In Japanese design, perfection is pursued relentlessly, with full attention to the smallest of details. At Mazda, we embrace continuity and innovation, staying authentic in the age of electric vehicles. The all-new Mazdo6e